Hey guys, this violin is very suspect 18th century. Look at it. Beautiful old violin, grafted scroll. I've seen this type of repair a lot from old violins that have been played a lot with the ebony insert from the bow. That used to be like a typical thing they used to do. One piece bat, and I'm gonna play for you. The pegs turn smoothly. It's a very low action. These strings, I forget what the name of them are. There's some really nice Tomastic, I guess, and they do play really good. New strings. Now this violin is very petite, very thin ribs, like an 18th century violin. And the back is 353 millimeters, so it's a very petite. If you got little fingers for articulating, low profile neck, it seems, it's very thin. So I mean, you can articulate on it really easily. So if y'all are interested in this, reach out. God bless.